Hi, my name is Bhavin. I am a lawyer and a teacher, and I am here to share a very special message with all of you today. If you're a lawyer or a law student, or if you know anything about the laws of this country, then you would remember that today is a very special day for our nation. On this day, 72 years ago, we, the people of India, adopted, enacted, and gave unto ourselves a very special document. A document that has transformed our society and has impacted the life of each and every one of us. Between that day, 72 years ago, and now, our society has seen tremendous changes. Today, technology is transforming our life in ways that none of the constitution makers could possibly have imagined back in 1949. And yet, the constitution has adopted, our laws have changed and kept pace with these dramatic transformations. But you know one thing that hasn't changed fast enough? Lawyers. And that's why I'm very happy to share with all of you today that we are launching Lawyers Learn, an online education platform that will help skill lawyers and law students in areas and subjects that are not part of the traditional law school curriculum, but which are essential for any lawyer today. Our very first program, Lawyers Learn Technology, will help you understand the world of technology, approach the world of computer programming and coding, and will even help you build small applications that will change the way you do your work every day, making it faster, safer, and more efficient. This program goes live today, that is, the 26th of November 2021. Do go check it out at lawyerslearn.online. We'd love to hear what you think about our new venture. Thank you very much and happy Constitution Day.